When you're fighting spatter, uneven bead profiles, undercut, or burn through, the solution can be as simple as switching the welding process on the machine you're already using. It can be the difference between making your day and playing catch-up tomorrow. These are 4 advanced welding processes to advance your operation, tailor-made to help welders get ahead when these problems appear. Starting with RMD, Regulated Metal Deposition. It helps welders of any level produce high-quality welds on thinner materials. RMD has controlled short circuits which provide a clean metal transfer and makes controlling the puddle a whole lot easier, all while minimizing the risk of burn-through and distortion. So if you're taking on auto parts work, producing commercial kitchen products, high-pressure piping systems, or taking on other welds that should look as great as they function, you can get the precision you need with RMD. Advanced process number 2 is Versapulse. When you're working on fast, precise welds and need an arc that can keep up, Versapulse is the one. Its stable, tight arc allows for increased travel speed, so it can be a key difference maker for things like UTVs and ATVs, automotive components, and sheet metal applications. It was designed for increasing travel speeds and automation, but it can be beneficial for skilled operators too. Next up, Accu-Pulse, one for the newer welders of the world. If you're struggling with putting together more uniform welds and spending too much time on grinding and rework, Accu-Pulse creates smooth welds across a wide range of materials and thicknesses. No matter what you're welding, from trucks to agricultural equipment to boats, consistency is key, and now you've got it. Last, we have HD MIG. Where RMD is about thin materials, HD MIG is for thicker materials. It combines a lower heat input with a high deposition rate so you have control while making big welds. It's best for thick carbon steel. On something like a 5/16 inch fillet weld, you can weld up to 22 inches per minute while reducing warping and distortion. And if you're looking for an automated answer, our Hercules system brings HD MIG quality in a tip-to-drum solution tailor-made for robotic welding. See a process you can put to good use? Learn how to advance your operation at millerwelds.com.